In the iconic film The Matrix, humanity faces a stark choice: swallow the blue pill and remain blissfully ignorant within a fabricated reality, or embrace the red pill and confront the unsettling truth.
Today we find ourselves at a similar crossroads, bombarded with political narratives that often resemble those comforting yet deceptive blue pills.
Figures like Donald Trump and movements like Brexit rose to prominence by offering simplified explanations for complex issues, appealing to a deep-seated desire for easy answers in an uncertain world.
These narratives, much like the Matrix itself, provide a sense of comfort and control, shielding us from the harsh realities that may lie beyond.
Just as the machines in the Matrix cultivated a simulated world to keep humans docile, so too do these narratives often serve to pacify and control.
They present a world of clear-cut heroes and villains, of easily identifiable enemies and straightforward solutions, all the while obscuring the nuanced complexities that often underlie political realities.
This deliberate simplification, while comforting, can hinder our ability to engage in critical thought and make informed decisions.
Instead, we risk becoming passive consumers of pre-packaged narratives, our understanding of the world shaped by those who seek to influence rather than enlighten. The allure of these simplified narratives lies in their ability to tap into our emotions.
Fear, anger, and nostalgia are potent forces, easily ignited and manipulated for political ends.
It is here that Richard Dawkins' concept of memes proves particularly insightful.
Dawkins, an evolutionary biologist, coined the term meme to describe a unit of cultural information that spreads from person to person, much like a gene.
Just as genes replicate and mutate, so too do memes evolve and spread through society, often with surprising speed and reach.
In the realm of politics, memes take the form of catchy slogans, viral images, and easily digestible sound bites.
These emotionally charged units of information bypass rational scrutiny, latching onto our feelings and spreading like wildfire through the echo chambers of social media.
They offer a sense of belonging and shared identity, reinforcing pre-existing biases and solidifying ideological trenches.
The more these memes are repeated and shared, the more entrenched they become in our collective consciousness, shaping our perceptions and influencing our actions. The effectiveness of these emotionally driven narratives hinges on a chilling truth. Human behavior is often predictable.
Our emotions, while powerful, are not always rational.
This predictability, much like the predictable code that governs the Matrix, allows skilled manipulators to anticipate and exploit our reactions.
By crafting narratives that trigger specific emotional responses, fear of the other, anger at perceived injustices, or longing for a bygone era, these individuals can effectively control and direct the actions of large groups of people.
This manipulation is often facilitated by a lack of empathy, a defining characteristic of those who seek to control rather than to understand.
Just as the machines in the Matrix view humans as mere batteries, expendable sources of energy, so too do some political actors view their followers as tools to be used and discarded.
The suffering, anxieties, and legitimate concerns of the people become secondary to the pursuit of power and control.
In this environment, genuine dialogue and empathy are replaced with calculated manipulation, and the complexities of human experience are reduced to mere data points to be analyzed and exploited.
In a world saturated with information and misinformation, the ability to think critically has never been more crucial. Choosing the red pill, the path of uncomfortable truth, requires us to question the narratives we consume, to challenge our own biases, and to engage in respectful dialogue with those who hold differing views. It demands that we move beyond the seductive simplicity of memes and sound bites, delving deeper into the complexities of the issues at hand. This is not a passive endeavor. It requires active engagement, a willingness to confront uncomfortable truths, and the courage to challenge those who peddle in fear and division. It means cultivating media literacy, developing the skills to discern fact from fiction, and recognizing the emotional manipulation often lurking beneath the surface of persuasive rhetoric. Choosing the red pill means embracing the messy, challenging, and ultimately rewarding journey of becoming informed, engaged, and critically thinking citizens. In a world that often resembles the Matrix, it is our responsibility to choose awareness over ignorance, truth over comfort, and ultimately freedom over control.